Well, here's the one I was talking about. By the way, how in the hell are you? It's good to see you again. This is that wonky one from DLT. It was free. No, I stand corrected. This is one I bought off of Amazon. I'm not sure how much. And I knew the pouches were small, but not that small. Close 24, but it just it's small. I mean, they're just like not much will fit in them. Way too small. Can't remember what I paid for that, but somebody had commented and said, yeah, they're small. I figured my small folders would fit. Here's the one from Blade HQ. I'm sorry, it was Blade HQ. They sent me for free. It's 1, 2, 4 times 3 is what, 12? 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah. So I just, you know, it's free, but it's good in a pinch. So here's what I ended up with. This is a Spyderco. This one holds 18. Okay. I got my large folders over here, and this one just kind of falls underneath it. It's a separate one. Okay. Another Spyderco. And I have more folders underneath that in my trash can. Cold steel folders. Some down there. And this way I can see them. And I can like pull it out and fiddle with them, and I like to see them. I thought about getting a hard case, but I like to see them. And here's the newer one that I just got, and these are my smaller folders, ranging from ZT to Fox to Civivi to Wii, Boker. And these large cases, they hold 30. And I have room. And I got all my autos. ProTech, Microtech, Heritech, Kershaw's, you name it. Keep my little pins in there for my phone. Got the fronts down below. And so, yeah, that'll work. I get rid of that little dealy bob thingy, and make room for more knives. On that note, I can't keep this. What the hell, man? On that note, I have to go now. I'm terribly busy. We'll see you.